Okay, good afternoon, YouTube. A little different sort of style today. Doing a live feed, but going to release the video. So, and I want to do this just so I can get this video up here ASAP without having to transfer files around. Today, I'm talking about Lumary, amazing LED smart lighting solution company. I've used their products for several years, from Lumary strip lights in my garage to my most recent additions is the Lumary ceiling cans. I have two different versions of those ceiling cans. One just standard RGB, 16 million colors, the standard smart recessed lighting in my bedroom, the 6-inch version. Then I just installed a replacement to the Lumary gimbal adjustable spotlights, directional spotlights, and I added the kind of nightlight ring versions, I think you call them. So definitely check out my videos on those. But today we're talking about backyard lighting solutions, and this is their Lumary Smart Landscape Spotlights. Here's the box, pretty cool. Going to keep this video pretty short here. Like all Lumary products, you can use the Lumary app, and I believe most of these are compatible with the Smart Life app. So these are installed under the Lumary app because I could not find how to get these installed on Smart Life. But all the other products by Lumary seem to work on Smart Life. And something I've talked about many times in this channel is keeping, all these cool Wi-Fi smart devices under one roof or one app, so to speak, so you're not jumping around different apps. In my case, a little different because I have so many different brands I've worked with, but most of these brands you're going to find on Amazon do work with Smart Life. Not sure about these specifically, though, but let's check them out. I got them on the floor here. Actually got them plugged in at the moment. And these are a little bit difficult to review because I'm not showing you guys what they look like in the environment that they're designed for, right? This is just in my bedroom. Or my office, excuse me. And so what we have here is basically 17 and a half feet of cable. You get the IP65 weather resistance with a very small power adapter. I think most of the power supply, though, is in the attached this device here has a push button on it. And so this allows you to cycle through some of the modes, the colors. It's nice they put this on here, but my one gripe when companies put stuff like this on here, it's great if you have just an on-off smart switch. Many of my outdoor lights have this. It's nice just if you want to turn on a light real quick, you don't have to pull out the app. You can still default to doing that. It's nice that they put that on there, but if you're planning on cycling through, it's kind of a pain, right? It would have been nice if they just put a couple buttons on there. It said, red, green, blue, etc. But with that being said, they still provide a remote control. And this is a RF remote, I do believe. You don't have to point it line of sight, so you can be inside your house and click this on. So I really like that they're at least including the remote because sometimes I just don't want to pull out the app. Maybe my phone's on a charger. Maybe I left my phone in the car, want to turn it on. I can do so with the app. So kudos to them. They also included that remote control with their smart recessed ceiling light. So check them out. Not a lot of companies provide remote controls with the devices. You normally have to use either a smart assistant, you have to use either, by using your voice or your phone with the app. And sometimes it's nice to turn on a light without having to do that. So you do get that. They don't give you, to the best of my knowledge, I didn't see any in the box, any kind of double stick tape. So I do recommend wherever you mount this, get something to kind of mount this. You can get kind of creative. As far as the power adapter, they give you about, I'd say 6 feet between that control box and the power adapter. This does have weather resistant fittings on it with an O-ring, so that's great. However, if you're going to plug this into somewhere getting wet, I recommend you get an active use outlet cover. Basically, they attach to the front of your outlet, and they have a clear plastic kind of door that opens up, and you fold it, and it seals it in, and it protects from the elements. Even though this is an IP65 weather resistant product, there is a seam on here, and if you're not going to take my advice and just plug this in anywhere, I do recommend just painting a little bit of maybe, clear nail polish, even black nail polish around here just to kind of seal this edge a little bit. You can even smear a light layer of silicone on it just to help to keep the water out of that because I do feel like anything with a seam is a potential issue there, but maybe not with these. So what you're going to do is plug this in, of course. I like that they gave you about 6 feet between the control box. And we'll just turn it on for today's purposes here for the video. I already got a tangled mess here. And right now, this is just, I don't know what happened here. Let me go to the end one here. All right, so this is pretty straightforward. They appear to be some kind of aluminum housing. You have a couple LEDs on the inside. I think there's a combination of 3 or 4. They do give you some ground spikes as well, landscape spikes. So you can basically screw these right to the spike and kind of prop these in the ground. You could also put a screw in this if you're going to mount these kind of on an overhang, which is what I might do in my backyard, kind of pointing down at the wall near my hot tub to kind of illuminate my kind of backyard, back of the garage, right? I may also put them on the fence. I'm just not really sure yet. Sometimes when you get stuff like this, it's kind of difficult to know where you're going to put them in the middle of the daylight because you can't see how they're glowing. So recommendations might be to install these kind of when it's getting darker at night, but super bright. I can't even look at this. So I'm just going to go to the app and just kind of turn this off for a second. I didn't put batteries in the remote control yet, but for now, I'm just going to turn it off. In the Lumary app, I'll just give you guys kind of a quick rundown here. Pretty straightforward, but these lights are pretty amazing. You'll see they have all these different kind of like flashing colors, and these are different modes. So these lights you can program to be you can program each individual light. So if you want red, white, and blue, go patriotic. You can do that. You can make the lights cycle. There's a ton of different options and features, and I'm not going to go through all this because, to be honest with you, I haven't really went through all this. Mainly what I use, this is great. It's pretty cool. Like if you're going to use this sort of like in a, Halloween or a festive kind of holiday setting. But for me, I just want the nice mood lighting. And generally I either have like a purplish blue, or I'll have just like a warm white to kind of illuminate different areas of my house. And I kind of do the same thing in my backyard. I'm not going to, again, get too involved in this. We do have, you can see here, hopefully you can see here, there are 6 lights. And so this allows you to select each individual light and customize them. I didn't really dive too much into that yet, but I will. You can set timers. You can have this come on certain times of the day and go off, which is fantastic. Very similar construction that I have on, just to give you guys a little example on where you might put these. Like I have a set that's just clear white LED kind of pointed like sideways down my front walk, and it kind of gives this kind of cool spotlight glow when you walk up to the front of my house. So pretty cool. I'll have to just figure out what I'm going to do with these in the backyard. These are so nice, and they are, just so you guys know, $84, and you do get a coupon of $15 off today. I don't know how long that's going to last, but stuff like this, if you live in an area that rains a lot and it's, snow and really bad weather, I know these things are meant to be outside, but I just kind of feel like weather eventually takes its toll on everything, right? And so if you have these somewhere where they're somewhat protected, it might give you more longevity. Time will tell. If I put these out somewhere that's going to be just out in the elements with no protection, we'll see how long they actually last. Like I said, the ones in my front do get subjected to the elements, and they're not even Lumary brand. And they, knock on wood, it's been about 6 years. They still work great. So Lumary does make great quality products. I do really like, the design. I wouldn't say they're anything really to write home about. They're a basic spotlight, but I absolutely love the ability to kind of flood your landscape with color. And this is going to be a lot of fun for my backyard. Currently, I have a lot of string lights that are hanging aerial. This would be nice to kind of direct some light kind of up at the side of the house. I may even mount these sort of like this, kind of shining up at the siding. So we'll see. Once I come back, I'll put a link in description. A lot of these products I get a review, and I do it kind of an unboxing like this. Then I install them, and I don't always do a video where I'm walking around with the camera, especially at night, because I have a normal job, right? And so generally I do my videos on my days off, in my office during the day. So I'm not using that as an excuse, but I am going to create a Google Drive. And I will link to actual photos of these products once I'm done. So I'll try to create a folder for each individual review. This way you guys can go back and just look at some of the ideas and some of the things that I've done. I may even kind of direct these around the hot tub. I'm just not really sure yet. So just kind of bear with me while I install this. But I want to thank Lumary for the generosity and wanting to collaborate. They have a ton of different lighting solutions. Again, ceiling cans, absolutely love their product. They make so many different variations, and the landscape lightings are super fun. So a couple other products they have are kind of like these long kind of light bars that you can kind of mount around pats or floodlight up at the side of the siding or house. Great if you put them behind landscape like plants that have enough room to kind of direct that light and kind of give this eerie glow. And if you click the link in the description, you'll see kind of their pictures on some of the ideas that they use this for just in their listing here, right? What else? Wi-Fi control, app control, voice control, again, with the smart home assistants. They are low voltage, which is great. So, they're not going to draw much. The total length is 17.5 feet. And they have what they call RGB AI technology. Let me just show you guys what they look like here before I ramble on too much. And I don't know what the AI is supposed to mean. Generally, I feel like, and I could totally be wrong, just so you guys know, I feel like brands a lot of times are using AI as like a marketing thing. It seems like people are referring to AI that's anything techie, like, oh, that character in that movie, that's AI. Well, not necessarily. We call it CG, right? And so a lot of times companies will say AI because they have the ability to change color. I don't really know where the AI comes in. No idea. So if you know, drop a comment, educate me as well. But just a little bit more about them. 16 million RGB colors. It says the adapter to the first spotlight is 17.5 feet. These cannot be extended. So if you want to add lights, you can't do that. You still got to plug them into another strand. You have the brightness on, off, or color change. What else? They are 2.4 gig Wi-Fi compatible. It's pretty standard in the smart home tech world. And they're compatible with, the Amazon, the Google version, and of course, smart things. And it says here, you can cycle through the different modes, which, again, using the control box is kind of a pain. I would just recommend you either use the remote or better yet, use the app. And then timer and scheduling. You can sync with music. However, my experience using any of these lights to sync with music, at least with my phone, you have to have the app open. So they don't have an inboard microphone or onboard microphone, which kind of sucks. But what it allows you to do is open the app, and the app uses the microphone in your phone. And at least on my phone, it doesn't run in the background. Even though the app is open running in the background, the microphone does not interact in the background. So you have to have the app open, screen not locked. And so I don't know if that's just something my phone is doing, but you guys let me know if you get these, how they work. But generally when I want the music mode, I do that like with my ceiling cans, and I generally just leave the app open. But it is kind of annoying if you want to go change a song, you open up another app and then they stop flashing to music. So I don't know if that's just something, like I said 3 times, I don't know if that's something just specific to my phone or if that's just something specific with their product. So again, I'll come back and put a little more information in description once I'll give this a full review. But awesome product. Again, check them out if you are in the market for any kind of Lumary, any kind of smart lighting needs. Definitely give this brand a go. It really is kind of my go-to for anything RGB, outdoor lighting, indoor lighting. They really make a great product. I've been happy with their products. Haven't had any issues with any of the products that I have reviewed. And if I can help you guys in any way, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and take care.